Hey Glam Fam, what's poppin'? If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today's look is super cute. This is a cut crease. This is part of my Disney Princesses series. This is from the princess, well, she's not really a princess, but she's not a villain either. This is Esmeralda, and she is from the Hunchback of Notre Dame. So basically, her colors are a blend of whites, purples, turquoise, and she has like a gold belt, so I tried to add some glitter with that as well. Yeah, this look is super easy, and I hope you ladies like it, so let's go ahead and get started. Starting out, our eyebrows and our eyes have already been primed, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So we're going to start off with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going for a really deep and rich purple. So when we apply this color, we need to make sure that we're getting enough saturation for our eyeshadow build. Because I want the crease to be a little bit darker and richer, I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going in with that black, and we're only going to apply that to the top part of our crease because that's where we want the darkest saturated purple to be. Because I don't have a purple that dark, I have to add a little bit of black and then go over top of that with that original purple.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
For this look, we're actually looking for a gradient from dark to lighter purple, from starting from the crease, not the bottom of our lid. So now we're switching to the Shimmer palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going with a light shimmer pink. And we're just going to add that to the top layer of our gradient. That way we're going from dark purple to medium purple to light purple, all starting from the cut crease, not the bottom of the lid. Now we're going to start out with the cutting of our crease. Now this is a white concealer by LA Girl Pro Conceal. And to start off, we're just going to apply a lot of that concealer just to get it on our eyelids. We need a good amount. And then some of the tips that I've seen on YouTube is they actually look up to see where they need to cut their crease, because that's where you want it to be. That way you're not mixing your colors. So after I've got all my concealer there and I've looked up, I'm actually going in with a brush just to make that line super sharp. Now, because I find that this concealer is a little bit wet, I like to go in with the setting powder just to make it a little bit more dry. Some people don't like to use setting powder after they cut their crease, but I find it works for me. So I just add a little bit of the setting powder just to make it a little bit drier. And then I'm going in with a turquoise blue from our Zulu palette, and we're going to apply this color to the outside corners of our cut crease.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
See, when I was applying my turquoise color, I went a little bit halfway and I left the inner side blank. That's because I'm going in with the Festive palette, and we're going in with that white, and we're going to apply that color to the inside corners of our eyelids. And then after we add that, we're actually going to blend the middle out. That way it's not a super harsh line. And to do that, I just take a little bit of pigment and tap it over the blue, and then I take a little bit of the blue and then tap it again over the white. To make my transition smoother between the turquoise and the white, I'm actually going to go in with the shimmer turquoise, and I'm just going to apply that to the middle part. That way there's a blend between the shimmer and the matte turquoise. So here I'm just taking whatever product is left over on my brush, and I'm going in to that cut crease just to strengthen that purple. Start doing our eyeliner wings, and I have no idea why I was holding it like this. That's super awkward. But anyway, this is the E.L.F. liquid black eyeliner, and we're just gonna do this for our entire wing. Now I don't know why, but my video recording stopped halfway, so I didn't get the whole thing. So we're just gonna move on to the mascara. Now this is a new mascara that I got from Ulta as a gift. It's called Superhero. It's by It. Now, I'm not a big fan of this mascara because it's super clumpy, and I don't like mascaras like that. But it was a gift, so I took it. Anyway, so we went ahead with our eyelashes, and I don't think I showed you which ones I was using in this video. Sorry about that. In the Disney character's Esmeralda's uniform outfit, she has a tint of yellow, so we're gonna go ahead and add some gold eyeliner to our look. This is the Atlas glitter eyeliner, and the color is yellow. Really is gold, but they call it yellow. But anyway, yes, I got this eyeliner for $1, and I absolutely love it. Our eyeshadow build is done, we're going to move on to our face process. This is the LA Girl Proface Liquid Foundation. This color is Warm Caramel. I absolutely love this foundation. It's amazing. Now, after we get some good coverage with the LA Girl Warm Caramel, we're going to go in with the Jordana Liquid Foundation, and we're just going to add a little bit to have a highlight to our upper cheekbones. For this look, we're actually not going to add any of the banana setting powder. We're going to go straight into the powdered foundation. This is also Warm Caramel, the second half of the LA Proface duo. And we're just going to cover our face. Now we're going to go in with the Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline, number 330. And this is what we will use for our upper cheekbones instead of the setting powder. And now we're going to go in with the blush by Fit Me Maybelline as well, the number 55. For our highlight, we're actually going to use the Sleek Strobe Dome. We're just going to apply just a little bit to our upper cheekbones to have a slight glow. Just to continue to build on our highlight, we're going in with the E.L.F. Baked Powder highlighter, and the color is Apricot Glow. And this is really going to set off our highlighter glow right there. For the highlights in our tear duct, instead of going in with a eyeshadow highlighter, we're actually going to go in with that liquid glitter liner, again by Atlas, that glitter gold. And we're going to apply this to the inside of our corners instead of powder. That way we still have that highlight and we can bring everything together. We're going to start off with a nude pink by Ofra. I finally figured out the name, guys. I just don't know how to pronounce it. It's Ofra, I think. And we're going in with a light layer before we go over top of that with the full throttle. And this is a nude pink. I'll have the name to that in the description below. And then to finish the lips, we're going to go in with that diamond lip gloss. And this is Bubblegum. This is that halogenic look. And we're going to add a little bit of that just to, you know, add some shine. I'm trying something new out. I'm going to be adding some highlight to the upper top part of my lip and that little crease there, just to see what that looks like. I see a lot of girls that do that, so I decided to try it along with the little nose glow, and now the look is complete. So let me know what you ladies think about this look in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you ladies in the next one.